Hello friend, now I will teach you Tai Chi basic training, how to use the arm. Now I will step by step, please follow me. First one, left, right, circle, Chinese call 左右太极. Body think, hands up, left hand up, right hand down. Then right hand up, left hand down. Okay. Left join the circle, left arm join the circle, right hand join the circle, opposite. Up. The arm need to be bent naturally. When you right arm up, your eye look the right palm. Left palm up, you look left. Body follow the arm. Turn left or turn right. Each set you can do 6 times or 10 times, depending on how many you like it. When you finish, the both hands so back the before moment, then back. Next moment, body think, hands up, left and knee hold the ball on the right side. Then both hands separate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stance is the ball stance left, ball stance right. Then the hand here like the eye. Look at the palm. When you turn right, look the right palm. When you turn left, look the left palm. The transition is left like a ball stance. See, hold the ball back to the hot stance. Ball stance, hot stance to the left ball stance. Separate nothing. Each set you can do 6 times, 10 times or more. When back, finish on the back first moment. The next moment, hold the ball left or right. Body think, and up, hold the ball right side and close together first. Then right arm block, right hand under the left hand under the right. See? Hold the ball on the left and close. Then left arm block, right palm under the left arm. 10 other side. And continue. You can do 6 times or 10 times, or if you have time, you can do more. This moment is important. This ball hand, the drawing circle is round. Have hold a bigger ball. See, hold like that. Then close. Then block. The left hand under the armpits. Then hold the ball on the left side. Hold the ball. Then turn on the side. Then hold the ball right side to the left. And finish back before the moment. Back. Next moment, the ball left or right, just around your body. The palm face each other. Hold the ball like hold the Tai Chi ball on the ball hand. You can do 6 times or 10 times. If you have time, you can. Just a moment, you can do more. When you finish, back to before moment. Back. The next moment. Then hold the ball, the front to your stomach. Then twist it forward. The palm face each other. This is the higher stance. When you stance, you can, the normal stance, you can do the low stance, you can do higher stance. That depends on your leg is strong or not. The palm always face each other, see? Back. Back to before moment. When you finish. The next moment, the flat circle. When the right hand push forward, the left hand back. Then left hand on the shoulder, then push the ball to the forward. Each set you can do 6 times or 12 times. When you back finish, back to before moment. Next moment, left or right, the double punching. So beginning, back hot stance and block. Like hook punching, both sides, the left, then block, to the right. It's both block beside your body, on the side. Back before position when you finish. The next moment, the block left on the right. And 1, 2, 3. This is a flat circle. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each set you can do 10 times or more. When you finish, back to before moment, come back.